the longer I think about how long I've been doing this, and then I look at how much there is still to learn in the development world, it's like, I feel like I'm a newbie sometimes because there's just so much that you can learn and grow, so many different avenues you can go down. That's another reason why I want to do this project too, by the way, is so that you guys can see perhaps other parts of the development industry and the development process that maybe you haven't been exposed to yet. Again, I've talked to a lot of people who are just starting to uh, realize that there are other avenues of working with the back end, other languages that are more popular than Node, or whatever they've learned. If maybe they didn't learn anything about back end development. So, um, yeah, I mean, there's opportunity. There's going to be lots of opportunities in this project for you to learn something new, and for you to maybe even see a different avenue that you might want to pursue from a career standpoint too. Um, Maybe we get into this and you find out I really like project management. I like the project management piece of this more than I like the coding, and that might be the direction that you decide you want to go. Or maybe we get into this next week, start talking about data and databases, and you guys are like, man, I really enjoy, developing database schemas and working with the database. And I decide you might want to be a DBA, database administrator. And so you might decide I want to go that route. And cause there are people that literally all they do is deal with databases. That's sounds a little boring to me, but but it's a pretty well paying job. So I mean, there's so many different avenues where if you just go to tutorials, if you just go to a boot camp, you may not be introduced to some of these things. And so my goal is, as we go through this project, to open your eyes even to some of these other areas where you might not know anything about, and might be a good opportunity for you to pursue from a career standpoint. So